Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick glimpse of the Hilton Inner Harbor in Baltimore, Maryland. So the plus side about this hotel is that it's walking distance to the Orioles Stadium, and also it's a good 10 to 15 minute walk to the Inner Harbor. So we did do some attractions down by the Inner Harbor and we were able to walk it, so it's definitely in an ideal location. They have multiple elevators in this hotel, and what I liked about it is that you have to scan your hotel card to press the buttons to get to your floor. There's a lot of homeless people in this part of town, so I guess it's a good way, a defense mechanism to keep some undesirables out and to make you feel a little bit safe. I filmed most of this content with my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so this is me just saying hey. And I love these glasses, they're so dope. And I've always wanted a pair of Ray-Bans, so the fact that they have a camera and they're Bluetooth enabled is another plus.
Oh shit, we got a view of the stadium. We ain't even need to go to the game. Shit.
Oh, that's the pool? Oh, that's what's up.
It looks cute, I promise.
Hey, babe. How was it?
The food? It was good.
No, I mean this morning.
Oh, he was dope.
Oh, yeah.
So he did pretty much a workshop on storytelling.
Oh, that's up your alley, huh?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, I was very engaged. And like, the power of storytelling and policy making and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It was a black male professor too.
Okay, that's what's up. At what school?
Dr. Akun, Nigeria. He's from raised in Baltimore.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, he said do and chew.
He talked really fast. This is salad. I gotta introduce. I'm coming right now. I'm talking to him right now.
Okay, cool. I got a call in like 15 minutes at work, though.
We stayed here for a few days, and overall the food options were really good. Like one day for breakfast they had braised beef short ribs with potatoes, they had turkey sausage, they had vegan options, they had tofu, they even had salmon one day for dinner. So they had a very wide range of menu options, and I really enjoyed the food.
Yeah, I think that's an exaggeration of who he is.
So this was some cut of steak over a salad, and I had some Brussels sprouts, and that was a potato salad. It was all really good, especially with the vinaigrette dressing. I really enjoyed this, and this was lunch. Overall, I would say that the food was probably the best thing at this hotel. I didn't really care for the housekeeping service. They kind of did a shoddy job. And then there was an incident where a man came knocking on the door saying that he was an engineer and he wanted to take a look at the AC. I was talking to him through the peephole and I asked him if he had a badge or some type of ID. He didn't have one. And I told him if he was truly affiliated with the hotel, then to have the hotel call up to the room and inform me. And which they did, but I felt like they should have informed me well beforehand. You know, there's so many things going on at hotels these days, and sex trafficking, people disappearing from hotels. So it definitely freaked me out. And I told the hotel staff once they eventually called me that they should have called me in advance, and they didn't really see where I was coming from. So that kind of rubbed me the wrong way. Like the whole scenario just sounded like a intro to a scary movie, like an engineer alleged knocking on the door saying, "Hey, I'm here to check the AC," and then they just push me in and have their way with me. So maybe I watched too many scary movies, too much America's Most Wanted growing up. I don't know, but it's truly the world that we're living in.
You want to sit down? Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
So this was the view from our room. We could see the whole Orioles stadium. This day in particular, we were headed to a game. So we were just waiting. There's some of the crowd starting to trickle in, and we were able to walk to the game straight from the hotel. That little landscape, the greenery in the landscape, the pool attached to the hotel was right there as well. I forgot to get footage of it, but they had a really nice indoor pool, and it also had a sauna in there and a hot tub. I didn't get in the hot tub, but I did use the pool and the sauna. It was really nice. Overall, I'd probably give this hotel a 6 out of 10, um, because of the alleged engineer AC incident and the lack of concern from the front desk. And then housekeeping did take something personal out of our room, they stole it from our room. So, for those two reasons, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks.